Hi everyone, Brandon at RideSafe here. Want to take a minute to show you the installation of the RideSafe AI Cam. So come on over and let's look at the details. So the first part that you're going to see is the AI camera. We've got it mounted to the rack here. You can mount it to the seat. There's different places. And you just tighten it here. So we've got that mounted here. Got your cabling, and we've got these Velcro ties, and I'll show you how those work. So they stick together, nice. We're just gonna put it on here for now. It comes with 6, so you can really use them as you need. We'll just get that on there nice and tight. Now in this early version of the product, we're working on the speaker design. We've got a speaker here with a stick. You can put that here, put another mount there. And then we've also got the cabling for the control panel monitor, and so I'm gonna connect that here. So there's that. I'm gonna do one more up towards the handlebars here for the connection, so we can get that on, pull that through, tighten that up, and we've got that. So that's our connector. So now I'm gonna go and grab the control panel monitor and the mounting bracket, and you'll see easy installation, plugs in, tightens up really quickly. And then I'm gonna mount it here on the handlebars. You can position it however you want. We'll just get that on nice and tight. So there you go. We've actually got the camera on. So when I connect the cabling, should turn on right away. And then for waterproofing, you can twist this on. It'll make sure that full system is waterproof. You could put another tie there, but that's the installation of the RideSafe AI Cam. Thank you.